You wake up, check your phone. One notification. Balance. $1 trillion. In your account. Right now. But there's a catch. You have exactly 7 days to spend it, invest it, or give it away, or every single dollar disappears forever at midnight on day 7. No do-overs, no extensions. Day 1. You don't buy anything. You panic. Because $1 trillion isn't a number your brain is built to process. If you spent $1 million every single day, it would take you nearly 3,000 years to run out. So day 1 isn't about spending. It's about survival. You lock your phone. You call one lawyer you actually trust. And you realize the biggest risk this week isn't running out of money. It's people running toward you. Day 2. You start close to home. You pay off your parents' mortgage. Your best friend's student loans, gone. Your sibling's small business, fully funded, debt-free, forever. You do the math. That's maybe $2 million total. You've used less than 0.1% of what you have. That's the moment it truly hits you. This isn't rich person money. This is money that could restructure an entire country's economy, and you've barely made a dent. Day 3. The scale shifts from personal to civilization level. You could wipe out medical debt for every person in America and still have hundreds of billions left. You could fund clean water access for every person on Earth who doesn't have it. You could build an entirely new city, hospitals, schools, housing, from nothing, in months, not decades. This is the part of the story where the question stops being, "What do I want?" and becomes, "What does the world actually need?" Day 4. The cracks start to show. Every dollar you move now has consequences. Markets react. People you've never met start showing up, claiming to be owed something. You learn the hardest lesson of the week. Money this size isn't a blessing you enjoy. It's a responsibility you carry. Every hour is spent not spending, but protecting. Protecting your decisions from people who want to hijack them. Day 5. You stop giving money away in lump sums and start building machines that make more good happen automatically. You fund a foundation with strict rules. The money must be reinvested, not just spent, so the impact doesn't stop when the week ends. A scholarship fund that runs for 100 years. A research grant that keeps paying out long after you're gone. You realize real wealth was never about the number. It's about what keeps working after you stop. By day 6, you're not panicking anymore. You're focused, clear-headed, almost calm. Hospitals are funded. Debts are erased. A small army of people now have a future they didn't have a week ago. On day 7, minutes before midnight, the balance hit 0. And for the first time all week, you feel lighter. Not because you lost the money, but because you finally understand what it was for. You'll probably never wake up to $1 trillion, but you already control something with the exact same expiration date, your time. It runs out too, just slower and quieter, so it's easy to ignore. The real question isn't what you do with $1